Sony is gearing up for a major tech drop this week, with a brand new flagship phone and upgraded headphones launching just days apart. First up, the Xperia 7 is expected to be unveiled on May 13th. Then, just 2 days later, on May 15th at exactly 4 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time to 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 p.m. Eastern, Sony's set to reveal its next-gen headphones. While the teaser doesn't give away much, the hashtag for the music hashtag, that headphone silhouette, and recent leaks all point to one thing: the arrival of the WH-1000 XM6. So, what's new in the XM6? For starters, it's powered by a completely new QM3 processor that's said to be 7 times faster than the one in the XM5. That should mean sharper audio and far better noise cancellation, perfect if you're constantly moving through different sound environments. This time, Sony has packed in a massive 12 microphones. Yes, 12. Thanks to new multi-noise sensing tech, the headphones can adjust noise cancellation in real time, adapting to wherever you are, on a flight, walking downtown, or stuck next to a construction site. They're also bringing back the foldable design, which is a huge win for portability. And it's not just foldable, it's tougher too, with a reinforced hinge for added durability. Comfort's getting an upgrade as well. The headband and ear cushions have been redesigned for a better fit, whether you're listening for hours or on a never-ending Zoom call. Call quality is taking a leap forward too, with a 6-mic AI beam-forming system that's built to isolate your voice and block background noise, even in noisy places. Sound-wise, the XM6 sticks with 30mm drivers like the XM5, supporting high-resolution audio, LDAC, DSEE extreme upscaling, and a fully customizable 10-band EQ. And yes, 360 reality audio with head tracking is still here, giving you that immersive, concert-like feel. Battery life: up to 30 hours on a full charge. Need a quick top-up? Just 3 minutes of charging gives you 3 hours of playback. You'll still get Bluetooth 5.3 with multi-point connection, USB-C charging, and even a 3.5mm jack if you prefer going wired. Popular features like adaptive sound control, speak-to-chat, quick attention mode, wind noise reduction, and the new background music mode are all included. Sony's also redesigned the carrying case. It now has a magnetic closure, making it easier to open and close. Nice touch. Color options are expected to include black, midnight blue, and platinum silver. As for pricing, we're looking at around $449 in the US, £399 in the UK, and between Euro 449, $469 in Europe. There's also some buzz about possible water resistance this time, though nothing's confirmed yet. Bottom line, Sony's WH-1000 XM6 is shaping up to be a solid upgrade over the XM5, and the wait's almost over.